Important monosaccharides. Two pentoses, ribose and deoxyribose, are extremely important because they are used in the synthesis of nucleic acids, DNA, and RNA, substances that are essential in protein synthesis and the transfer of genetic material. Ribose, along with phosphate groups, forms the long chains that make up the backbone of ribonucleic acid or RNA. Deoxyribose, along with phosphate groups, forms the long chains that make up the backbone of deoxyribonucleic acid, or DNA. Deoxyribose differs from ribose in that the hydroxy group on carbon 2 has been replaced by a hydrogen atom. We call the deoxy form. Of the monosaccharides, the hexose glucose is the most important nutritionally and the most abundant in nature. Glucose is present in honey and fruits such as grapes, figs, and dates. Ripe grapes, for example, contain 20 to 30% glucose. Glucose is sometimes called dextrose. Glucose is also known as blood sugar because it is the sugar transported by the blood to body tissues to satisfy energy requirements. Other sugars absorbed into the body must be converted to glucose by the liver. Glucose is commonly used as a sweetener in confections and other foods, including some baby foods. Galactose is a hexose with a structure very similar to that of glucose. The only difference between the two is the orientation of the hydroxy group attached to carbon 4. Like glucose, galactose can exist in an alpha, beta, or open chain form. The beta form is shown here. Galactose is synthesized in mammary glands where it is incorporated into lactose, the sugar found in milk. It is also a component of substances present in nerve tissue. Fructose is the most important ketohexose. It is also known as levulose and fruit sugar because of its presence in many fruits. It is present in honey in a 1-to-1 ratio with glucose and is abundant in corn syrup. The sweet This sweetest of the common monosaccharides is important as a food sweetener because less fructose is needed than other sugars to achieve the same degree of sweetness.